Hey art enthusiasts! Looking to spark your creativity and explore something new? Penkraft's DIY art kits are here to inspire your inner artist. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, these unique do-it-yourself kits make it easy and fun to dive into a wide range of traditional and contemporary art forms. Let's take a closer look at the Resin Art on Round Tea Coasters kit. Each kit includes 6 sturdy MDF round coasters, a handy stand to display them beautifully, 1 bottle each of resin and hardener, and a vibrant set of resin pigments, everything you need to get started. You will also find a label with a QR code. Just scan it to access a step-by-step video tutorial that guides you through the entire resin art process, from mixing to pouring to finishing. And that's just one of the many options. Penkraft offers a wide variety of art forms to explore, including calligraphy styles like cut nib, brush pen, Devanagari and copper plate, folk and tribal arts like Warli, Madhubani, Gond, Pichwai, Lippan and Kalamkari, plus exciting techniques like knife painting, resin art, fluid art, dot mandala, alcohol ink art, one-stroke painting, Scandinavian art, image transfer and more. You can try them out on different surfaces such as trays, coasters, clocks, chopping boards, photo frames, pen stands, MDF boxes, acrylic sheets, ceramic mugs and more. So, what are you waiting for? Order your very own Penkraft DIY kit today and let your creativity shine.